Hello everyone, I have a problem with the R14 tubeless tire. The tire flattens completely 2 days after pumping. Let's figure it out and see what's going on. To lift the car, I needed a jack. As you can see, I already lifted it. I washed the tire along the rim and found no leaks. After checking, the tire turned out to be without punctures or damage, and the spool does not leak after soaping. Now I remove the wheel, put the car in gear, and unscrew the bolts with a 17mm wrench. Attention! When removing a wheel, you must first remove the bolts when the tire is on a plane, and then jack it up and unscrew it. I unscrewed the bolts and now remove the wheel. I checked the tire again for punctures and damage. And on the inside of the disc rim, after soaping, I discovered a leak. Now I take the spool cap, turn it over, and slightly unscrew the spool. The air comes out. Next, I will need a thick and strong screwdriver. Also, laundry soap and brush. I need to clean dirt from the rim of a disc. Using a screwdriver, I slightly bend the tire away from the rim and use a brush to remove dirt from everything diagonally along the rim. Both on one side of the rim and on the other side. Next, I take a laundry soap knife and crumble the soap into a damp jar. Next, I pour a little water and use a brush to create a soap solution, glue. The result is such a soapy mess. This will be my side glue. Now I use a screwdriver to bend the edge of the tire again and apply soapy glue with a brush. And I repeat this procedure on the other side of the tire. I have already inflated the tubeless tire with a pump with a pressure of 2.5 atmospheres. I wash the disc with soapy water all around, and we see that there is no air leak. 3 days passed after the procedure. I came to the garage and the tire was not flat. Both the right tire and the left are in perfect order. Thank you for your attention. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.